First. You see it? I wonder whether the elephant or thing. My tripod is broken just now. But anyway, hello everybody. Hi, my name is Izzat and welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my new video. So in this video, obviously, I'm going to teach you how to do magic. I decide today I'm going to teach you OHTP change. What is that? What is OHTP stands for? It's a one-handed top palm change. This trick is impromptu. You can use any deck. It's a visual card change. You shake and then the card change. If you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell just so you don't miss anything from me in the near future. Before I proceed to teach you this technique, I'm going to say sorry because it's been a while. I didn't upload anything in my channel. But that's the past. For right now, I'm going to teach you this special stuff. Let's get into this and let's get started. I'm going to snap and then we're going to go to the next section. No, wait. So, let's say spectator pick one card inside. Let's say they're going to pick that. You're going to do that. And I want you to remember the card, okay? 3 of hearts. Now I'm going to place 3 of hearts right inside of the pack. That's inside. And now I have 1 card on the top, which is obviously not your card. This is the 10 of diamond. Now if I shake like that, change to 3 of hearts. Your card just now. Stop. Stop there. That's your card. You're gonna place your card right there inside. And I have 1 right here, not your card. You shake. First, you need to do this using, you're going to grab your card, you're going to grab the deck of cards like that, and you're going to use, and you're going to move the top card using only your pinky, just like that, like this, okay, like that. I'm going to show it to you. You're going to move the top card and you're gonna slide it out from the pack. I'm gonna try to do it again, okay? You're gonna move it out from the pack, just like that. This is the first way to practice the move. This is to practice. Again. Do it again. Okay. That's the first step to do the move. The second step, after you know how to do this, move and clip the card just like that. Instead of dropping it, you're gonna do like that, and you're gonna clip it like this. Okay, so do it again. You're gonna move the card, so you're gonna clip it like that. Like that. Like that. Okay, you're gonna do like this, you're gonna clip it. So from the front, in the right angle, you're actually doing the change. So let's do it again. There. You cannot see it. Try to do it again. Contrasting card. Okay. Do it again, like this. Like that. See? The cards clip right there. Do it again. 1, 2, 3. Clip. But you're gonna move. But you're gonna do the clip with a little bit movement, just like that. So, okay. That's the second move. The first move is push out, just like that. The second move is the clip, just like that. Now the third move is clip and slide it down the deck. Slide it down. It's like this. Double lift. Do the clip and take it. You can take it like this if you want, or you can like this if you want. Do like this, like that, and you're gonna do like this. And at the same time, you're gonna spread the deck. Let's try it again. Open this up. You're gonna slide it, clip, and you're gonna do like that. And you're gonna spread it just like that. Okay. So you're gonna combine 1, 2, 3 move. Okay. And then you got the move ready. This is double lift. The first move, clip, second move, third, slide it down. Now you have the move. Okay, so that's the basic move, one-handed toe palm change. That's the basic move. The routine I'm going to explain to you. The routine is this. Spectator say stop any point. Let's say stop right there. You're going to do the first double lift, 7, and you're going to place, it really doesn't matter what the card is. Now you're going to place it right there in the middle of the pack, 7 inside. Now you're going to show the 4. Of course the 7 is right there. Now you're gonna do the move, and you're gonna explain that your card 7 just now is somewhere in the middle of the pack. Now this is not your card. Now I'm gonna shake, and this card will change position with your card just now right there inside. I'm just gonna do like that, shake. Yeah, of course, do the move, and now you're gonna slide it to the bottom of the deck. Zoom out like that. Okay, one more thing. The angle for this trick is like that. Okay, so the angle for this trick is kind of easy to understand. You just hold this deck like that. I'm just gonna stand. Okay, you're gonna bring it down like this, and then you're gonna bring it to your side, and people are gonna look from that. You can actually practice this one in front of a mirror. That's the same thing when you're performing it live to the audience. So just imagine that the audience is the mirror. Be careful for the spectator on your side. That's it, everybody. That is the OHTP change. Do you like it? Tell me in a comment down below. Plus, if you have any additional idea of how to use this technique, please also don't forget to comment down below. Tell me what you guys think about it. So, it's nice hair, right? I hope to see you again next time in my next video. And